Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today, I am going to teach you subject GK, topic vehicles, name and book number 5, page number 50, 57, 59 and 64. Okay, but before let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date? For December 2020. Which day? Friday. How's weather outside? Cold. Which season going on? Winter season. Okay, children? Open your GK notebook. So write here vehicle's name. VEHICLES vehicles. NAME name. Look here children and listen carefully. So write here, write properly. First spelling. So write here A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. What is the spelling of the aeroplane? AEROPLANE. Aeroplane. And next, HELICOPTER. Helicopter. What is the spelling of the helicopter? HELICOPTER. Helicopter. Aeroplane and helicopter, air vehicles. And next, TRUCK, road vehicles. TRUCK, truck. TRUCK, truck. And next, water vehicles. BOAT, boat. BOAT, boat. And next, water vehicles. SHIP, ship. SHIP, ship. Again I repeat, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. HELICOPTER, helicopter. TRUCK, truck. BOAT, boat. SHIP, ship. And next, TRAIN, train. TRAIN, train. And next, bicycle. So write here BICYCLE, bicycle. BICYCLE, bicycle. TRAIN, train. BICYCLE, bicycle. And next, auto. AUTO, auto. And next, so write here children, van spelling. What is the spelling of the van? VAN, van. VAN, van. AUTO, auto. VAN, van. And next, what is the spelling of the jet plane? JETPLANE, jet plane. JETPLANE, jet plane. And next, ROCKET, 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 rocket. And next, JEEP, 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 jeep. And next, car, CAR, car. And last, BUS, 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 bus. Again I repeat vehicles name, VEHICLES, vehicles, and ME, name, one by one spelling. Read and look here children, listen. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. HELICOPTER, helicopter. TRUCK, truck. BOAT, boat. SHIP, sheep. TRAIN, train. BICYCLE, bicycle. AUTO, auto. VAN, van. JETPLANE, jet plane. ROCKET, rocket. JEEP, jeep. CAR, car. BUS, bus. Okay children, and next topic, book number 5, page number 50. Open your book number 5, page number 50. MATCH, match. THE, the. VEHICLE, vehicle. VWITH, with. THE, the. INCIDENCE, incidents. What is the spelling? Which picture? Police jeep. POLICE, police. JEEP, jeep. Police jeep. And next, FIRE, fire. ENGINE, engine, fire engine. AMBULANCE, ambulance. And next, garbage truck. GARBAGE, garbage. TRUCK, truck, garbage truck. Okay, so match police jeep. Fight, FIGHT, fight. So match police jeep and fight. Okay, and next picture, fire engine. Fire engine, so picture fire. So match. And next picture, which picture is this? Ambulance. Ambulance, badly hurt. And last, garbage truck. GARBAGE, garbage. TRUCK, truck. So match here. Okay, again repeat, match the vehicle with the incidents. Police jeep, so match fight. Fire engine, so match fire. Ambulance, match badly hurt. And garbage truck, so match garbage. Okay, and next page 57. Same book number 5. Open your page number 56. MATCH, match. THE, the. VEHICLE, vehicle. TO2, THE, the. PLACE, place. WEV, BOARD, board. IT, eat. FROM, from. Match the vehicle to the place we board it from. Which picture is this? Taxi. Which picture? Bus. And next, you know children, which picture is this? Sheep. Yes, sheep. And next, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. And next, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. T-A-X-I, taxi. B-U-S, bus. S-H-I-P, sheep. T-R-A-I-N, train. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. So, place, vehicles, place. B-U-S, bus. S-T-O-P, stop. Bus, stop. And next picture, P-O-R-T, port. P-O-R-T, port. Next picture, taxi stand. T-A-X-I, taxi. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T, port. And next, which picture is this? Railway station. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, railway station. So match here taxi. So match taxi stand. And next picture is bus. So match which picture? Bus stop. Yes, bus stop. And next, which picture is this? Sheep. So match here port. And next, train. Which picture is this? Railway station? Yes, this is a railway station. So match here railway station. And next, last, aeroplane. Aeroplane. Which picture is this? Airport. So match airport. Again repeat. Taxi, match taxi stand. Bus, match bus stop. Sheep, match port. Train, match railway station. Aeroplane, match airport. Okay, and next page 59. Book number 5, page number 59. Open your book 5, page number 59. C-R-O-S-S, cross. T-H-E, the. O-D-D, odd. V-E-H-I-C-L-E, vehicles in each set. Bullock cart, horse cart and truck. So, cross. And next, scooter, auto and bike. Scooter and auto, 2 wheel. And auto rickshaw, 3 wheel. So, cross. Odd vehicles, auto. And next, helicopter. Which picture? Helicopter, boat and aeroplane. Which picture? Boat is a odd vehicle. So, cross sign. And next, car, auto, so cross here. And next, bus. Which picture? Bus, truck and train. So odd picture, vehicles. Okay. And last page 64. Book number 5, page number 64. Open your page number 64. C-R-O-S-S, cross. T-H-E, the. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. W-E, We do not. SEECAT TH is the PLATFORM platform. OF of a RAILWAY railway. STATION railway station. Cross the things we do not see at the platform of railway station. So aeroplane, cross. And next picture is sheep. Okay. Look here children. Again I repeat. Cross the things we do not see at the platform of a railway station. Aeroplane and sheep do not see at the platform of a railway station. Copy in this book number 5 and vehicle's name. So write properly in this copy. So GK notebook.